Hey guys, this is Eric with Rusty Gates. Hadn't made a video in a minute. Thought I'd make a quick one. We're having a small infestation of potato beetles and thought I'd bring you along and show you how we treat them. Basically, here's one here. That's an adult. And basically what we're going to do is go through and spot treat them with a Captain Jack's dead bug, I think's what it's called. Pick it up just about any of your, there's another beetle. Pick it up at any of your supply chains, farm suppliers. But we're going to try to go through and spot treat. There's a larva there. But we're going to go through and nip these in the bud before they get too bad. So basically what we're going to do is spot treat with the Captain Jacks, and then the rest of them will be treated with neem oil and dish soap over the next few weeks, probably 3 or 4 applications. The potatoes are about to bloom, so we definitely want to nip this in the bud before it gets started. You can see here, this is a good sign that you have potato beetles in your potatoes. So let's get this done. Alright, here's one we definitely need to get spot treated with a chemical application. We try not to use a lot of chemicals, but in this case we're going to have to. It's already starting to spread over to some adjacent plants, so if we can catch this now, we can alleviate a lot of crop loss. So basically I've got my Captain Jacks in my sprayer. I'll just give it a few pumps here, and then I'm going to just give it a spray. Get around up under the leaves, because these larvae and stuff like to hang out under the leaves, especially if you're doing this during the heat of the day. Or best time to apply this is first thing in the morning and right before dark. But when you're farming, you do it when you can. We're just going to go ahead and grab this row right here. Get us several feet in each direction, and that should take care of it. Like I say, the rest of this will get treated with neem oil and dish soap. It works pretty well for us. We've got probably 1/4 of an acre here. We should have a yield of around 2,500 to 3,000 pounds. Just depends on what Mother Nature gives us this year. We planted about the same amount in a different location last year, trying to work on the crop rotation, and we put out 150 pounds of seed potatoes, and we were lucky to get 800-900 pounds of potatoes that season. So, but anyways, that's how we do it here. Let's get on to the next project.